Good morning and welcome to PV Legal's daily newsletter. Today's story is about three NRIs, a family who did absolutely nothing wrong yet found themselves fighting the Enforcement Directorate for nearly 16 years under FEMA. And buried inside this case is also an important lesson in legal vocabulary. What is the difference between repeal, omission, and deletion? Stay with me. Sunita Mehta, Subhash Mehta, and Sanjay Mehta were NRIs settled in Canada. Like many prudent NRIs, they had opened non-resident, non-repatriable rupee accounts. These were perfectly legal accounts, opened with money remitted from abroad. These were NRNR accounts with cooperative banks in India. Then, in 2001, they discovered that their cooperative banks were in serious financial trouble. They came to India. They wanted their money back. Simple enough, right? Wrong. The banks refused to return their deposits. Instead, the bank said, take it as a loan against your own deposit. The family had no choice. They accepted the loan and reinvested that money. They reinvested in fresh NRNR accounts with other banks. Again, to keep their savings safe. Simple safety measures turned into a legal nightmare. The Enforcement Directorate then issued show-cause notices alleging that NRNR accounts can only be opened with money remitted from outside India. Penalty was imposed, and shockingly, their deposits were also ordered to be confiscated. 16 years of litigation followed. Now, the Enforcement Directorate argued that this violated Regulation 5(1) IV of the FEMA deposit regulations. But here is where it gets interesting. That regulation was omitted in March 2002. The family's lawyers argued if the regulation no longer exists, how can proceedings continue? This brings us to our vocabulary lesson. Repeal means an entire law is removed, like FERA being replaced by FEMA in 1999. Omission means one specific clause is removed, while the parent law continues. Deletion means exactly the same thing. They are used interchangeably. Now, discuss आप पेशन on discan cons. And this is the critical point. Does omitting a regulation erase past violations? Absolutely not. The Supreme Court held that omission is simply a form of repeal. All liabilities accrued before the omission are fully preserved. The slate is not wiped clean. So, the ED's proceedings were held maintainable. However, and this is where the Delhi High Court delivered real justice, the court struck down the confiscation. Why? Because neither the authority nor the tribunal had given a single reason for confiscating the deposits. Not one. Confiscation is not automatic. The court noted the loan had already been fully repaid from the maturity proceeds. There was zero loss of foreign exchange. Discretion must be exercised with reasons. The penalty was upheld, but the confiscation was set aside. The takeaway: a silent, non-speaking order cannot take away a citizen's property. Power must be justified. This has been PV Legal's daily newsletter. Stay informed, stay vigilant. Thank you for watching.